Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove songs from Spotify queue. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. In order to add songs to the queue, you need to have some songs playing. Only then you can add songs to the queue. So let's add some songs to the queue now. I'll just randomly search for songs to add to the queue. I will add a few songs to the queue. Now, in order to access this queue list, you need to go to the now playing songs. And at the bottom right corner, you can see the icon of circle and two line. Tap on it. In this space, you can view the queue list. Now, in order to remove songs from the queue, you can simply select the song that you want to remove. And at the bottom, you can see this remove option. Tap on it. And there you go. The songs have been removed from the queue. So it's a very simple process to remove songs from Spotify queue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.